The HSE came up with a new definition of household in order to work around Tony Holohan's advice that social distancing is not possible for people in communal bedrooms such as these. It would now appear that a household can mean a group of people who have never met before, are from different countries, speak different languages, didn't choose to live with each other, and naturally don't have the knowledge of each other's movements and activities during the day. Frankly, it's scandalous in these wider contexts that I have outlined that this fudge has been actively implemented where people, despite their best efforts, and I spoke to a man this morning who was in desperation trying to comply with social distancing in a direct provision setting, that this is actually happening. And it's causing a huge risk to their health and active damage to their mental health, which in many cases was already under severe strain. How would we all feel if we were unable to actually comply with the social distancing measures that have been asked of us in the last few weeks? Now, I understand, but I don't agree with the communal accommodation setup that has been the way that is direct provision, but it is inconsistent with public health needs at the moment. What's more, the fact that a new centre was set up during the pandemic, which forced people into communal bedroom situations, is mind-boggling when we are supposed to be pulling out all the stops. Taoiseach, I have figures of 5,866 people in direct provision and another 1,585 protection applicants in emergency accommodation. Can you clarify how many of these people have been tested, how many have tested positive, and how many have now been provided with their own bedroom where they can isolate? The approach to protecting people's health in direct provision is an active failure, and we now have a legal opinion emerging from the Irish Refugee Council contending that it is also a breach of various human rights commitments. It's not that the government didn't move fast enough or didn't understand the reality. It's that you knew it wasn't the best approach and you carried on anyway. Taoiseach, we must do better.